What's up, y'all? Back with another video. Um, yeah, I haven't been really making. It seems like every time I make a video, it's like a down day, a red day. Cause really, those are the days where you should be making most of your moves. Um, so right now, we were hovering around 225, 230 for F the last few days. Bitcoin was going between 28, 2,900, 27 to 2,900 last few days, and this morning woke up to another drop in price. Bitcoin's now at 25.90. This is on Poloniex. I'm not looking at CoinMarketCap right now. I'm actually looking at my TradingView account. And F is at 206, and that's via Kraken. So we've taken a little bit of a downturn right now in the market, and I think this is a good day or a good time to start. Well, I've been accumulating. I have a few Bitcoin, a few EF, good amount of Litecoin, and I've been trying to accumulate ETC and a little bit of Monero. But I really, now I think as we continue in this bear market, I think maybe for the next few weeks or next month or so, I'm going to try to start accumulating more altcoins. So I buy a lot of my altcoins on Bittrex. I like Bittrex. It's pretty reliable. Has a lot of coins, and that's all you can really ask for in an exchange nowadays. Just be able to log in when you want to, able to trade when you want to, and have a good selection. So I think Bittrex, out of all the exchanges now, is the one that I rely on the most. I do have a Kraken account, which I don't log into often. I do have a Poloniex account, which I don't use at all, just because of the amount of issues people have been having with Poloniex. I still hear people commenting on other videos I made talking about Poloniex hasn't responded in weeks. They've been trying to get their deposit for weeks, and Poloniex has been no help. So my advice is don't use Poloniex, and this is not financial advice. In addition to that, but I think as things continue in the crypto space in the bear market, I'm gonna start accumulating even some more less known coins that could potentially pop when the market returns to a bull market. So lately I've been picking up some particle coins that they were just listed on Bittrex. I'm pretty sure, well, all of the coins have a fairly low number of coins out there. So I think Particles has around 7 million or something like that. 7 million in circulating supply, and about 10 million in total supply, which will be issued. And it's right around $5 right now. So I picked up a bunch of particle tokens. You should check out the project. It's it seems like an exchange where you can buy different products through their platform with all different types of cryptocurrencies, including particle. So you can use your Monero, your F, your Bitcoin, your Litecoin, whatever, to purchase on the site, and the site uses particle, is what I'm understanding of it. But it's all of these are just speculation. If you get in early enough on some of these coins with a low supply, with good development, when they do make releases, updates, have announcements later this year, early next year, you could see some great returns. So I picked up some particle. Um, I picked up some Civic token. Civics are also another project which I've been looking at. They're right around 20 cents right now. Um, go on coinmarketcap.com and do your research on Civic. Seems like it's going to be a good project. So I picked up a bunch of those. What else? Also grabbed a little bit of storage coin, STRJ, which is the decentralized storage. And that's what I really picked up in the last couple days. Still have a little bit of Bitcoin left over. I'm looking to diversify a little bit more, find some other coins. But those are the 3 coins which have just came on Bittrex within the last few weeks, which I'm really trying to accumulate for the long term. You can, as I said, this is all speculation. So if one of the coins goes to 0 or continues in a downtrend more than I expect, that's the case. I figure, you invest in 10 coins, 3 of them perform well, 2 of them perform really, or even 1 of them performs really well, 2 of them perform fairly well, and even the other 7 can go to 0, which is probably not likely in the short term. And you're doing good. You hit 1 home run. Imagine if you bought it in at ETH around $2-3 a couple years ago, or Bitcoin back when it was $3-4, 6-7 years ago, whenever it was. So you got to take. I think these are the times where you should speculate. I know a lot of people don't advise people to speculate, but in this market with growth all around, you can speculate, at least in the short term, which I'm thinking is 6 to 12 months. A lot of these projects will probably be around in 6 to 12 months. Some of them won't. I think the majority of them will. I think this space will continue to grow for a number of years, 3, 4, 5, 6 years at least, with a lot of these projects either building or starting to build new platforms and new blockchains and new assets. So I think placing a strategic amount of bets across the board could pay off big time and make you a millionaire, potentially a billionaire if you're doing the right investments. So yeah, that's what I'm on now. I've accumulated some of the more stable coins, and I think it's time to really dive into a lot of these smaller projects with more risk now that we're in a down market. So I can, potentially go 10x or more. I did think I thought I was getting some file coin, but I don't see it in my wallet. Maybe it's something else. I don't know. But yeah, let me know what you guys are getting into out there. If you're looking at any smaller altcoins with a small market cap or a low supply, which you think could potentially perform well in the future. I'm consistently looking for those things. I bought in ETH around $12. I think I started buying around ETH $12 or so, and it's paid off pretty well. And I hopefully this next upcoming 6 to 12 months, we can have a few investments which perform as well, or at least half as well as ETH has performed this year so far. So yeah, just giving you guys a quick update on what I'm doing. Let me know what you guys are thinking. As always, follow me on Instagram at legal_Jones. Subscribe below. Follow me. I'll keep you up to date with what's going on in my portfolio, what I'm thinking about the market, and also hit the notification so you are notified when I post some new content. So I appreciate you guys tuning in, taking a look at the video, and y'all keep buying that crypto.